The Bank of Canada just held interest rates. And if you're thinking about buying or selling in Halifax, you're probably wondering, is this good news, bad news, or does it change anything at all? Here's the truth. It's actually one of the most important signals we've had in months. So let's break down what this really means if you're buying, selling, or just watching the market here in HRM. When the Bank of Canada holds rates, it means they're hitting pause. They're not raising rates to slow the economy further, and they're not cutting rates to stimulate it either. They're essentially saying, let's wait and see how things play out. And in real estate, that pause, it matters more than you think. For buyers, this is quietly good news. Over the last couple of years, the biggest fear has been, what if I buy now and rates go even lower? A rate hold removes that fear. Mortgage rates aren't jumping or crashing overnight. Payments become more predictable. Buyers can actually plan again. But here's the key, and this is what I'm seeing every day in HRM. Buyers are still cautious. They're doing their homework, they're comparing houses, and if something feels overpriced, they walk. So yes, confidence is improving, but buyers in this market are still being smart and very selective. If you're a seller, here's the honest truth. This doesn't mean the market just heated back up overnight. What it does mean is you now have more stable conditions to sell into. But pricing is still everything. The days of throwing a number out there and hoping for 10 offers, those are gone for now. What's working right now in HRM? Homes that are priced right from day one. Clean, well-presented properties, listings that stand out immediately online. Because today's buyer, they decide fast and they move on even faster. So, this is a strategy market, not a luck market. Now, let's talk about what happens next, specifically here in Halifax, because to be honest, our market is a little different. We're still being driven by population growth, military and government investment, major long-term projects like the submarine project, the space launch pad, the Amazon Center being built here, and all of these create real underlying demand. So when rates hold, it doesn't create a boom, it creates stability. And stability is what allows buyers to step back in, sellers to list with confidence, and the market to move forward again. Not fast, not crazy, but steady. So here's the bottom line. If you're buying, this gives you confidence, not urgency. If you're selling, strategy matters more than ever. And if you're waiting, the market isn't crashing. It's stabilizing. And honestly, that's where the best opportunities usually show up. If you're in Halifax or Dartmouth and you're trying to figure out your next step, feel free to reach out. I'm always happy to help. If there's a topic you'd love to hear more about, drop me a line or drop it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to dig right into it. If you found this helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button. That's it for this week. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great weekend.